of Narakasura, who has been killed by Sri Krishna along with his wife, but I don't think his wife was actually any culprit in that. Now Narakasura's Vardhanti we are celebrating as a day of environmental protection. Today, in the name of Deepavali, all over the country, millions of rupees are spent on bombs, tabakus and all kinds of fireworks, and they pollute the whole nation with carbon dioxide, whereby millions of children get sick and go to the hospitals and hundreds die on this day. We, the Dalit, Bahujan, Adivasi, teachers, students, activists and women want to give a call to the nation, stop celebrating this nation in the name of Narakasura, that no fireworks should be burnt today and tomorrow in the nation at all. And this RSS, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, BJP, so-called the Hindu nationalist organizations must tell their opinion whether they want polluting this country through these bombs and fireworks and killing the children where the fire industry is working in Tamil Nadu. We want to stop this bloody culture of destroying the environment of the nation, because Ravanasura, Narakasura, particularly Bali, who ruled the Kerala kingdom, was environmental protectionist, was a king of total equality, was a king of women's equality, was a king of children's protection, was a king of old people's protection all through his kingdom. Now that is the reason why the Brahmins created a character called Vamana, who was not even as tall as I was. He was shorter than me, in fact, and he killed this great man by hitting on his head with nailed shoes. Therefore, we are saying that Rama is not our God. And we are very happy to declare here that one of the great Supreme Court lawyers who was with earlier BJP came along with us and said that Rama was not a good husband, Rama was not a good human being, Rama was not a good male at all. Rama saw that Shurpanaka's earlobes and nose were cut. It was barbarity. Then he invaded the kingdom of Ravana. Ravana did not invade the kingdom of Rama. Even according to their own history, which is a false history, Rama was ruling Ayodhya. Where is Ayodhya and where is Sri Lanka? Why did he go there? He went there to invade that kingdom. And then he killed his sister by cutting her earlobes. And on the way he killed the greatest queen of the country, ancient India, Tataka, who was ruling this region with advanced agriculture, beef, sheep, goat, milk, and everything was flowing here. And the Aryan Brahmin Rishis came, destroyed the entire crops. Therefore, she fought with them and she was killed on the way. And which is a destructive process, invading culture. Brahma invaded India first, then his own illegally born child was invaded. He invaded the southern Dravidian state, and the Dravidian kingdom called Bharat was again destroyed by them. Now later on, what did he do? He tested his own wife Sita in fire. Now this is what Ram Jethmalani is saying. Today I am going to speak in CNN again on this at 10 o'clock, that how could a man test his wife for chastity in the fire? Did this fellow test himself? What was the guarantee he did not sleep with any other woman when she was not there? He should have tested himself there, but he did not. Then he sent a pregnant woman to forest. She delivered in the forest. Are we sending pregnant women to forest? Are we to send? Today, because of that, certain castes send pregnant women at the time of delivery out of the village, make them delivery in sheds out of the village. Only after 21 days they bring them into house. This is inhumanity. This is Rama's culture. Now what did they teach us in grammar? In 7th class, the whole country is teaching in grammar subject, object, predication to teach Rama kills Ravana. They did not teach us Rama till the land. Tilling the land is important. Looking after the cattle is important. Then the whole political class is killing today. The second sentence was Krishna has stolen the butter. Now all the politicians are stealing the nation. They said God's kill, God's steal. We don't want to teach them. We want to teach them Ilaiah has tilled the land, Pochamma has milked the milk, and they have protected this country. So therefore, on the day of his Vardhanti, Narakasura's Vardhanti, we are taking a pledge to spread the Indus Valley civilization, to spread the Dravidian civilization, to spread the environmental protection, to spread the man-woman equality, to spread, choice marriage but not caste marriages. We want in this country, boys and girls choose their wives, their husbands. Nobody should go for caste marriage. And RSS, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, environmentalists, Menaka Gandhi, Akkineni Amala are not talking about this environmental pollution at all. On Diwali day, why don't they address press conference? They talk against us. What kind of pleasure you take by putting bombs on the road? Making the whole city burn? Hundreds of shops are burned that day. So, in the name of this great man, we are for protection of environment. We are for abolition of crackers in this country. Thank you.